Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on restarting Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the watch's crown to open the app menu. Then open the Settings app. Scroll down the settings and tap System. Tap Restart. Tap the tick to confirm that you want to restart your watch. Your watch will then restart. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.